What's up, you guys? It's your girl Big Mill, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, I kid y'all not, I ordered a content creator camera and like vlog kit, and I've been checking my tracking like every single hour, and nothing has like changed because I'm just being impatient. I'm not even giving it time to change. I'm not giving it time for it to transfer from one facility to another. I'm just so ready to have it. Like, do y'all ever be like that? Like, I'm so impatient. So y'all, I'm so excited because my camera has finally came in. So let's bust this bad boy open. No dramas. So as you can see, I got the content creator kit. I purchased this off of Walmart during Black Friday, so I got a pretty good deal for it. So it's like $500, so really that's a lot. But yeah, I really want to take this YouTube thing to another level, so I'm investing. Oh my goodness, I am investing in myself. Pat myself on the back for that. This also came with a tripod. I didn't open it, but I'll open it up in another video. I love this tripod. It also came with a remote. So now let's get into what's really tea. I'm so happy that this kit came with the SD card. Gonna be shooting in 4K, baby. Yes. And baby, let's get into the camera. Yes, I'm so excited. Yeah, period. So first we have our getting started manual. Then we have our battery charger, along with the lens, which is a 15 to 45 mm. Okay, yeah, that. Then we have the camera. Let me practice. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Big Mill, and I'm back with another video. And y'all, I just got my new camera today, and period. I'm part of the Canon gang. It's your girl Big Mill, and I'm back with another video. I just got my camera today, and it's crystal clear because I feel like I need to look at myself, or should I not look at myself? That's neither here nor there. My first video, well, this is really my first video. This real video. It's probably gonna just be a get to know me, who I am, or like the reason that I like want to do YouTube. Do you like, comment, and subscribe? Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video.